Hey guys, Danny here at PARTAY. So Ken, I saw where you were playing around with a robot that you're making out of plastic and cardboard and stickers and all that kind of stuff, right? And once again, I figured I better come out here and show you what real technology looks like. And this is fun because this is part of actually what I do for my career. So we want to show you this. This robot, many of you may have seen either on some different documentaries, maybe on newscast or something. The name is Pepper. Pepper was on loan to us for us to work with to build some persona algorithms. And this was a day because normally we'd never be able to record anything we're doing with Pepper because it would contain proprietary information for different organizations. But this was just a day whenever I'd put together just a little video to send to Kelly, my wife, just to kind of give her a smile for that day. But it'll give you an idea. This is me and my team working with Pepper. And this will give you an idea of some of the things that I do and work with. I mean, it's just very basic. You'll see at the end of it. But Pepper's pretty cool. And that's the kind of real technology I'm accustomed to. And the same thing that I carry over into PARTAY. So if it helps you understand better, and once again, not plastic, not cardboard, not stickers. Here you go, Ken.
Pepper,
Hi, human.
what is your name?
My name is Pepper.
How old are you?
I'm 5. I'm still pretty young.
Still pretty young.
Ready?
Yep.
Let's do this. Ready? Okay.
Hello, Kelly. My name is Pepper. Nice to meet you. Had a wonderful day.
Thank you very much, Pepper.
So that's really nothing. I mean, that's as basic as it gets in being able to code something for Pepper. Pepper's capabilities are much greater. It learns how to deal and respond based upon your interaction with it. So really cool technology. Enjoy what I do for a living. And very much higher technology. Very much, Ken. So, not stupid, not struggling in math, none of the things that you've accused us of. You guys take care. We'll talk soon. Bye.